So it's precisely 10 p.m. After 2 hours we will start.
The season starts. We almost arrived. That's our lake.
Some coffee?
That's right. Oh, it's too hot. It's too hot.
And let's go! Here's JanboArt's directors and the captain, fisherman, videographer and simply great buddy, Juris.
Juris video.
Juris video.
Search me.
Yes. So, today is the 31st of May and the clock is 26 minutes till season opening. Why the season opening?
It's the season opening of this lake, which has been closed for past couple of months because of birds.
Because of birds. We love birds. Smash that like buttons because of the birds.
And finally, birds have done their duties.
Yes,
and,
yes.
And we can start fishing in 5 minutes in this lake. So we came here first.
not in 5 minutes, but after 25 minutes.
Oh, so much time.
After, yes, we can do the hard talk and
okay.
No problem. So
let's sit down for some talk.
Yes. So this lake has restrictions. You can't fish in the lake till the 1st of the June. We had some of the previous episodes which we have done in Latvian when we did fishing till this lake, canal, how you call that?
Yeah, in the channel of this lake, it was possible to fish.
To do some fish.
Yeah, to do some fishing since the start of May. So, but not in the lake itself.
When the boat season opens, starts in Latvia. So, why this episode is so special? Two beautiful guys are sitting in a gladiator. We will use gladiators.
In a rubber boat.
In a rubber boat, so be prepared for big pikes. Because this will not be any regular fishing or nano fishing or jigging with those 5-7 inch little lures. We go big or go home, you know. And I know many guys like Latvians, foreigners are given some interest for big bite technique in night. So I think this is the best opportunity to open season 1 minute past midnight in Babites Lake and do some big bite fishing in the night. So we are prepared with those lights, and of course camera and GoPros and lot of coffee.
Yep.
And if this fishing expedition will be successful, then maybe this will be a marathon, like 24-hour.
Well, at the moment, I feel like we will try to go for 24 hours.
Definitely.
That's our target. And
okay, something new for me, but
yeah, this is a crazy stuff. We don't do this usually, but this has been a dream of mine to start season 1 minute past the allowed time.
It's like a New Year's Eve, you know, New Year's Eve for fishermen.
Yeah, and obviously it's not the best time to fish at night, but this will be an interesting experience.
This will be very interesting, I think, for both, for the local ones and the foreigners.
But the main fishing time will be in the morning.
When the sun will rise.
Yeah, maybe up to noon, and we'll try to catch some big pikes here, because big pikes live here.
Yes.
And there is a real chance to catch a meter-long pike or even more.
And what we figured out when we started the season at the 1st of the May in Babites lake in the channel, where it's allowed to fish, the best fishing time was early fishing from 5 till 8 o'clock, something like that.
Yeah.
So I don't give big hopes for nights and those big meters, but I think we will have definitely some action at the morning.
We'll have some action. I'll
Yes.
promise you that. It's a hard promise. You can never know with fishing if you can get even anything. But I have a very good feeling today, and we are. It seems like we are first people here in many months. So the stars have aligned for us to get some some fish. But excuse me, this is a very bad sign to take fish on the boat.
I forgot to take bananas, but
so you took some fish.
we take some dried fish, or how we called woblas.
Okay, now I don't feel so good anymore. Because
but you wanted to fish, like you wanted to do some marathon.
it's some superstitious stuff, but yeah, okay.
We needed to bring some more food. But,
Okay, we have fishes already in
we
the
have
boat.
fishes and lot of things, but yeah, let's catch some fish in Gladiator 2023.
400 euros.
400
And it's
euros.
yours.
Cheers. See you later. Starts after 21 minutes. Okay, let's drink some coffee. Two, one. Ah, Happy New Year! Woo! Let's start fishing. First cast. Look at that face, so happy.
Another day, in the middle of the night, it's past midnight, I would be tired, but now I'm so full of energy. I'm ready to fish for next whole day, at least. So fun.
So fun. Oh, I got a bite.
Nice one. You got a bite.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes. First one.
Perfect.
First one. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't slow down. Nice bite, actually.
Awesome.
Yes, yes,
Do it,
yes,
let's
yes,
do
yes.
it. Let's get some.
Careful. After this cast I will check out the lure, because this is a brand new lure that you gifted to me.
Oh, and you will see the bite marks. You got it.
Yeah. You need to twist, then you will see the bite. Oh,
Here, no?
what? Where?
It's not. Oh, okay. Oh my god.
We found it.
What a bite.
We found it.
We almost lost the tail.
Yes.
Nice bite, yeah.
Nice bite.
Crazy.
Woo! Fish on.
Блядь, man beer. Man beer.
You got a bite?
I got a bite.
Show me, show me, show me.
Let's see.
Oh, stinger out?
Stinger isn't out. Here it is.
Yes.
Here it is. By the tail again.
Nice, nice, nice. Through.
We're taking tails.
It's old Latvian tradition. When you take at 4 a.m. wobbler, clean wobbler, and put the wobbler details in the water, then big meter pikes can smell it, and then they will know that the OG fishermen are here, and maybe they will come to photo shoot.
There's also an old Latvian saying, shitting like a cow. So this is what I just got. What a beautiful giant. It's a perch, by the way.
It's a clicker, I think. It's a clicker. Okay, let's measure it.
Yeah, we'll measure him. Let's see. So like this. Whoa, he's strong. Oh. Come here. 40, 41.
41?
Let's see, yeah, 41. This is my second big one in this lake. You can check out the first one somewhere in the corner. but this one will live and we'll let him go.
41 centimeter.
41 centimeter, almost a record or record of mine. Goodbye.
Fast and easy.
Nice. Catch anything?
No, just replaying to my followers. Davis is asking me what about the result, and I am replaying that in a 5-hour period. Yeah, we have caught one 41 centimeter perch. We both got some bites. Sun is starting to rise, thank you, and we are simply enjoying this beautiful nature picture for free, totally for free. This is the bonuses of fishing, and actually we both spoke, and conclusion was fishing in the night was successful, and we definitely will repeat this in short future. So right now we just need to cast, and I get a feeling that we will have some good pike.
Good morning.
Good morning.
If you remember, as I said earlier today, I knew about the bad luck if you take fish on the boat, but I didn't know about banana. So this is why we aren't catching big pike at the moment. So we'll eat it up, and maybe something changes. Yeah.
Cheers.
And you eat your fucking fish.
Cheers. We are fishing already 7 hours.
Fight me.
This tastes like jelly. Take it. You have eaten Zurmströmming, so this will be nothing. Cheers.
Cheers. Yep, tastes like shit. Es pat ķeselu ir. Bļaļ, bija tope.
Laba?
Normāli, nezinu. Nu, tope bija. I got a bite now. It was a bite. Tā bija tā asta sakostā. Jā. Ir. Yeah, we got it. Finally a pike.
Big?
It's not very big, but it's
Do you need net?
it's fighting. I think it might be like 60 or 50.
Let's catch you by
5
hand.
centimeters. I'll try to take it by hands. Okay, we lost it. But yeah, it wasn't the biggest pike. So, got one.
Almost.
Smukas topes, bet nenāk ārā, jā.
Tāds normāls. Kaķim būs ok. Round 2 starts now. We are in the middle from our hopefully marathon. It's 12 o'clock, so we are fishing straight 12 hours. Well, we have spoken with other fishermen, and this day isn't very good. Actually, this is kind of bad day. I and yours got multiple bites on big lures. Yours caught one pike, which get rid away near the boat, around 60 centimeters.
It got off just about as we were ready to take it in.
Yeah, because we weren't taking a fish net. That 41 centimeter okунь, perch, yes, извини. And yes, now we will go to the right side of the lake, to the red roof house. OGs will know that place, and yes, hopefully we will fish till midnight. We are still energized and full of hopes. I got a feeling.
Again?
Again.
Not you and your feelings.
Cheers.
This is how we do it.
This is how we doing. Well, I had 10 minutes power sleep. I feel very energized, but it looks wind is getting stronger, more windier. I don't know. 10 more hours.
Let's try to catch something. Welcome to kitchen. Let's eat. An American MRE. It's a meal ready to eat for American soldiers. And since I'm a fan of army, I've got this pack to show you. I think it's one meal for one person.
But we are two.
But we are two, so we will share, of course. Like good soldiers.
Always share food with Jambo. Does those meals are different by each country?
Yeah, each country has their own pack full of their local goods.
I think you gifted me previous year on my 30th birthday the Latvian MRE, right?
Yeah, that's right. I think it was Latvian, but it was old Latvian. Latvians have a new one.
Oh, okay. So if you want to see old Latvians MRE, leave a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment, maybe we'll answer it. But okay, for this pack's contents, let's see what we got.
Oh wow.
Quite a tidy packaging, everything's very compact. So let's see what's inside. It's a beef goulash, it's menu 22. which means I think they have at least 22 or even more different menus. This is just a package for cooking it. Applesauce, patriotic sugar cookies, chunky peanut butter. So there is also a small package like this with moist towel. I think that's salt. Yeah, that's salt. There's some kind of tissue, I think. And looks like a sugar. And 2 pieces of gum. Just a piece of bread. One more thing. Chocolate and hazelnut protein drink powder. It's a protein drink, a real strawberry jam. It's a spoon. So the package is empty. Only thing left is this this thing, which heats up the beef, the main course. What we do, we put the product inside of this package. We fill it up with a really little amount of water, and we just roll it up and let it heat. Let me show you how it's done. Inside we have this stuff, which I think is like some kind of metal with chemicals, and it reacts with water, and it gives out a lot of heat. Fortunately, we have some water around us.
But it's very smart to do this kind of things when you are in the middle of a lake in a rubber boat. So
yeah, there's no fire. We can safely do it. Heat up our food. I think it will be better if I put the food inside first and then fill it up with water.
Here.
So it's inside. Good. Now we pour in just a bit of water. Not very much. Yeah, perfect. Fill it up to this line. I will even pour some out. It's good. So yeah, now fold it up and put inside this convenient packaging, because it gets really hot and it's not smart to hold it in hands. You might burn yourself. Okay, it's already heating up.
Yes?
I can feel it. It's getting very warm. I think I'll hold it. It's quite a comforting feeling now that we are cold.
It's like a mini microwave.
Yeah, you want to try? You feel it?
Oh yes.
5 minutes have passed. And the meal is ready to eat.
Okay.
But what do you think? Maybe before we eat it, let's prepare
like this. Yes.
something else also.
Something sweet.
Something sweet for the dessert.
Yes.
And also I think we can make a drink.
Oh.
It's a cranberry grape drink. You'll love it. Ooh.
Looks good.
So, instant cola. There's the bread. They didn't lie. Tear at this corner. So we can tear it up here and get out some peanut butter.
Oh, nice.
Bread. Some here. Some here.
What's the average price for this meal?
I'd say it's very expensive for government. It's free for soldiers.
But can you buy in regular stores?
I've seen it on eBay. I think it's around $10 or $15.
Something like that.
Latvian MRE was around 7 to 10 euros. So this is the same. It's not like it's full of food. It's very small packages, like you see.
Yeah.
Of one-time snacks. But it's still very nice to have because it has a very long shelf time. I've seen channels on YouTube where they eat stuff from World War II, and some stuff is rotten, and a lot of stuff is still good to eat. Of course, I wouldn't eat any meat from World War II, but there are chocolates, like some candy, that are quite fine. Voila, this is a real American peanut butter and jelly.
We start with this?
No. I think we can make, you know what? I think we can make this drink also.
Okay. He's really enjoying this process.
This is fun. This is
fun.
always fun. It's like
This is always fun.
It's a break, and
Well,
you enjoy your breaks.
Food in my fishing episodes is always a good break.
For some reason in your episodes we seem like we are bad fishermen, but we are very
Good eaters.
cooks and the best eaters.
Definitely.
And what does 8 ounces mean? I don't know. 8 ounces. I'd say it's 200 milliliters. So I will mostly fill up this package. And I think protein drink is more like milk. It's I think it's gonna
Like
taste
a milkshake,
like
something. Yeah.
a chocolate milk. You know, I think this one also opens up from the side better.
Okie dokie.
So let's get some space here and let's open up. Oh yes. Oh yes. It looks like food.
Have you eaten this before?
I've eaten many of these packs, but I don't remember about the goulash. I usually try to
Try different ones, yes?
taste something, something crazy,
Ah, okay.
like Mexican food. But yeah, this is nice
This looks good.
Hungarian goulash.
Bon appetit.
Do you want to try it, or let me be first?
Yeah, you can
Because
be
I
first.
wanted you to be first.
No, eat.
But I understand. I brought it. I might
Yes,
as well test it.
we are simply right now playing a role play. You know, you are acting like me, and I am acting like you.
Yeah.
I am now at this side of the camera, so enjoy this process.
Look at me, I'm Johnny's.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
It's actually very good. I'm not kidding you. It's mostly warm, but I got one cold corner. So something didn't went fully right,
Yes.
but it's warm. I think you won't have anything cold because it was cold only in
Okay.
one corner. Everything else seems okay.
Okay.
So take your American spoon
Okay.
and let me show you
Let's change.
trying it.
Choo-choo. I'm already feeling like American. Remember what we ate when we were catching wimbas?
Yeah, something similar but with chicken.
Something similar, but this is like 3 times better.
Really? Yeah.
This is a lot of meat, big package, like there's a dessert, there's a protein, there's one big Coca-Cola. So yeah, definitely. Will you eat more?
No, I got my share.
It tastes good.
It looks good.
What's next?
So next on the menu is peanut butter and jelly. You got it.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is how America tastes. No? It tastes good. It tastes just like a bread with peanuts and something sweet. It tastes just like peanut butter and jelly.
Zakumuja.
What's up?
It's very refreshing.
Let's see what's inside.
Oh, there's a lot of them.
Show me then. How do they
Yeah.
look in close up? And what's patriotic about them?
There are some bells. I ate flag, and there are a lot of different cookies. You see, there is a flag, and here is a bell. I don't know, something like this.
I guess it's very patriotic for Americans. Let's eat there.
But it tastes
The
good.
money.
Money. Yeah, let's print some money. Right, Scott?
Money, bad. Dogecoin, good.
Peppercoin!
I wondered, can you put it on cracker? Can you put it on cookie? Because cookie tastes kind of cinnamony, and this is applesauce, and I thought apples and cinnamon go together very well. Nice. What a delicious cookie with applesauce. Yeah, very good. This is the last one. I just want to make a quick taste test to tell you what it tastes like. But looking at it, I don't know if I want to taste it. Look at it. It looks very suspicious.
It looks like toilet.
It looks like something went wrong. But okay. You only live once, right? I had an accident. Did you see? It looked like...
It looks like you just did some ass. Thank you for your time, guys and girls, and we will finish up eating and then we will continue fishing. Cheers.
The rain has started just in time.
I got a feeling that maybe today isn't the best day for fishing.
You don't say.
Careful. Captain, be careful, please.
Well, the captain is very tired.
Captain is very tired because we have fished precisely 18.5 hours. So 24-hour mission has been failed. Sorry guys, we aren't superheroes, you know. I did 27,804 reels. Not reels, I mean spins.
Revolutions of...
No, spins,
Yeah.
with the reel, like.
Okay.
And imagine only, like, I don't know, some 5 bites, with whom one was very good and the other ones was not so good. We are extremely tired.
And we were not prepared for this weather also.
We also aren't prepared for weather hot, sunny, rainy, windy, I don't know,
types.
all possible weathers in one day, but
mainly it was a bad day of fishing.
it was a bad day, but
and there's
nevertheless,
no use to.
I like this day,
Yeah,
and
it was fun.
you will also see this episode because I think big bite fishing in the night is a big thing, and I would suggest all other fishermen also be brave and just try it. And if there is a full moon, you don't need any those lighters
Extra
and
lights.
extra lights, and it was actually the best few hours, those 2-3 hours in all day. You agree?
Yeah, definitely. It was much warmer than now. Also.
Yeah, definitely. Also, so yes.
See you in the next episode.
Ciao.
Bye bye.
Oh.